Well, hey, I'm Alan with the Spokane Plant Farm. And real quick, I thought we'd go over how to propagate a spider plant. You know, for me, and I've got a history of growing houseplants for over 45 years. This is the first plant I ever grew right here. It was the spider plant. Now, this is a unique one in the fact that it's a curly variegated spider plant. Not that easy to find. The beautiful thing about spider plants is they have an adventitious root. So when you look right here, you see a root that's already formed. So this is a little bit different than all of our other plant propagations. This is not a plant that we need to put root tone on. It's already got a root that's growing. All we need to do is just really get good soil to stem contact, make sure we've got water in the soil, and this plant is going to take off. Relatively simple procedure. I think instead of just sticking it in dry soil, though, I think it's pretty important that we need to water it. So I'm just going to put a little bit of water on the pots that we've got here. Now, this is a relatively easy to propagate plant. And so we're going to just take 2 cuttings and stick it in this little 2.5 inch pot. Is that too many? Probably. But for the sake of a nice quick start, I think we'll just do it. I think there's 6 cuttings in our pack here, so it divides by 2 quite easily to get 3. So, and then we'll just insert like that. Now, that's awfully easy. But as far as satisfaction and performance is concerned, the spider plant is absolutely one of the best plants out there in the marketplace to just be easy to grow and perform so well. And there's a lot of different varieties of spider plants out there. There's the curly one, and there's a Hawaiian one, there's reverse variegated, there's green and gold. But all of them are going to perform the same. And the fact that as the days begin to get just a little bit longer, you notice that the stock plant here, and that's what this is here, it's a plant that's a little bit older, is beginning to put some new growth on. And in just another week or so, it's going to start sending out these long arching arms filled full of these little pups right here. And that's why we call it a spider plant. It looks a little bit like a spider when it starts to grow. So anyway, there you have it. And I hope that you enjoy your adventure with this particular plant. I'm Alan at the Spokane Plant Farm.